Is your Infiniti QX50 showing a black screen when you plug in Apple CarPlay? Most display issues are simple software glitches rather than actual hardware failures. Let us start with the most effective troubleshooting steps. Try a hard reset first, then check your cable quality, and finally repair your Bluetooth connection. Check these 3 common culprits that frequently trigger black screen errors in the QX50. Often the issue lives on the phone side, so ensure your iOS is fully updated and restrictions are off. Try the DIY fixes first, but head to the dealer if the hardware itself is unresponsive. Most repairs cost nothing, but a dealership visit for firmware or hard parts will start at $200. If you're still stuck, try testing a different phone to isolate the problem to the car or the device. You do not need specialized tools, just a good light and a reliable cable. Remember, software issues are usually temporary, while port damage requires a shop fix. If this helped you get your screen back, hit like and subscribe for more Infiniti troubleshooting.